Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellie, and in today's video we're going to look at this sound here. This is oi. Oi. So you can hear, can't you? You can notice that this vowel is moving, and we need to get both parts of this vowel really clear and really different from each other. Oi. Oi. So we're going to start at the back of the mouth. The tongue is pulled back. Or. We're starting from the same vowel as we find in words like more, saw, morning, or. And then we move into I. This is the same vowel as in words like bit, busy, women, I. Oi. We're not going to spend ages on each part of the sound. We need to move quite quickly, but we do need to hear both parts. Oi. Two ways to spell this sound. First of all, OI, for example, in words like coin, boil, point, voice, and OY, for example, in words like boy, toy, enjoy, annoy. It's not often, is it, that we get a vowel sound in English that hardly has any different ways to spell it, so this is good. We like this one. So down in the caption below this video I have put the link for a free guide for you. Free guide to all the vowel sounds of British English, including some ways that you can practice them, some exercises and some hints and tips as well to help you guide your own practice. Click the link below. It's my gift to you. I will see you in the next video.